gave you fair warning, beware.
I understand that you ain't used to all this newness. Your occupation is student. I can tell that you've been through it. Your old man was foolish. You think I would be your repeat. Happy to meet you. You just seem too glad to meet me. Well, let me start by introducing myself. My name is Jones. I'm wondering why you out here alone. I'm trying to avoid the cliche. You're walking your home. She said, I got working legs. I'll be good and I'm grown. You always been on your own. Girl, you seem like you have. She said, every dude is a dog. What I need with a man. Maybe the love you get from giving someone decent a chance. So cancel your 3:30 Thursday and put me in your plans. I am armed with game and you're well equipped with elegance. You major in anatomy. Tell me what your plans will be after college, baby girl. Tell me about your family. She looked up like, who makes you think that you can handle me? Well, the fact you got a book in your hands instead of walking around jocking with a group of some fans, And plus the fact that you're digging me's known. You didn't realize we've been walking and you're pretty much home. Until next time, girl. The date is Thursday and the time is now 2:30. I decided to get fitted and had to get there early. It seemed as though she was appalled by my timing, but I could tell she liked it by the way that she was smiling. I opened her card or greeted her with a hi, and then I thought it was surprising that she answered me with silence. I said, what's wrong? Why you ignoring me? She said, a man never made me a priority. Well, if you can't tell, girl, you will get more with me. She tried to change the subject quick, like where we going to eat. I say we going to the beach, there's food and blankets in the back. I figured we could just eat, chill, talk, and relax. In fact, it's almost dusk, I heard the sunset's nice. I got a cooler with some beers and some mics all light, and we chilled under the sunset, talking about life. And I'm tripping over her mind, cause it's awfully right. She's like, the cost is my heart, is it worth that price? Since what I get in return might not be so nice. I'm only gonna be showing you love. We'll take it slow so you know what's up, you know what's up. Yeah. I go by the name of Jones. Yeah. Marcel Jones. B-E-N-T